Do you want to build a terrific product, one that users really love, one that's built on a durable but flexible technology infrastructure, one that makes your company a lot of money? Well, you are in the right place, because that's exactly what we're going to do here in the product management course. You're going to learn how to go out like a designer and find out what actually matters to your customers. And then, rather than just building stuff and hoping for the best, you're going to learn how to test your value propositions so that you make sure they're really sellable, and your software team is going to love you because you're going to help them create less software that's more valuable. And also, you're going to come and you're going to bring them inputs that are vivid, that are actionable for development, and that are testable. So as you iterate towards what's really desirable for the customer, you get better and better at doing that together. Most importantly, you're going to learn how to create the right kind of focus. And that's so important because your customer has a million different alternatives screaming for their attention. And it's the focus products that really rise above that noise floor and do well in the marketplace. Now, how do we do that? Well, in week 1, we're going to create a view of what are the components of modern product management. How do you create focus around those, and how do you translate that focus into all the different disciplines that you need to collaborate with to make your product successful? The way that we build really great products has changed quite a lot, even in just the last few years. In week 2, you're going to learn 7 key methods that today's product managers are using to really build better products and innovate in an efficient but systematic and repeatable way. In week 3, you're going to learn about new products. Creating and introducing a new product or a large new feature is really different than scaling an existing product. So we'll learn some reliable, efficient, and stepwise techniques to take and test new ideas so that even if a new product idea has a 1 in 10 chance of succeeding, you're able to iterate a whole bunch of times and you're able to make the improbable probable. And then we're going to move on to how to apply these methods to existing products to make them better and better, more desirable, extend their life, and expand their relevance to your marketplace. And so I hope you'll consider joining me. Before I came to UVA Darden, I was an entrepreneur and I started some software companies, and I was an intrapreneur. I started a new business inside a corporation. I think there's an easy way and a hard way to learn how to do this stuff. I think this course is definitely going to make it easier for you. And we're also going to be joined by product managers from some of Silicon Valley's most successful companies. And they're going to tell you about how some of these things work in their roles and how they've applied them so that you can do that too. I hope you'll join me for the product management course.